Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How to extend your iPhone battery life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some easy and practical tips to extend your iPhone battery life, especially if you are using one of the newer models, whether you are an iPhone 14, 15 or 16 user. These tips will help you get the most out of your device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, let's enable low power mode. To do that, you simply need to open the settings. And once you have opened the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on battery. Now in this section, you can toggle on the low power mode. By doing this, this reduces background activity which can prolong your battery life. To extend your iPhone battery life, another thing you can do is just simply lower the brightness, or you can even turn your iPhone to the dark mode. Or even better, you can turn on auto brightness to let your phone adjust based on your surrounding lights, which can extend your battery life by using less power on OLED screens. You can also keep unnecessary connection off. If you are not using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or AirDrop, make sure to turn them off in the control center. This can quietly drain your battery over time. Now, another big tip is to limit background app refresh. To do that, you simply need to head to the settings. Once you are in the settings, simply tap on General, and from there simply scroll down and tap on background app refresh. And in here, you can simply turn it off completely or restrict it to the apps that are truly essential, like messaging or navigation. Now, another thing you can do is monitor your app usage. In battery settings, scroll down to see which apps consume the most energy. If you spot any hogs, consider limiting their use or turning off their notifications. And finally, use certified charging accessories and avoid letting your battery drop below 20% or charge above 80% for prolonged periods. Also, enable optimized battery charging in your battery health settings to reduce wear on your battery over time. And that's it. These simple tips will help you get most out of your iPhone battery life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which tip you will try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.